very first revelation, the Quran, Allah said, read in the name of your Lord who created. Establishes knowledge as the foundation of human advancement.
I'm sure you'll have an enriching and ennobling experience listening to Professor Bande, given his experience. I'd like to wish you a successful lecture, a successful convocation, and congratulate this university on attaining this important milestone.
What we require is a bold, coordinated commitment to science, technology, and innovation as instruments of national transformation.
We look at Nigeria, the agricultural lands we have, the mineral resources, the talented young people, the diverse cultures that are vibrant, and the deep and rich histories of our communities.
This professor who has delivered this lecture today, it will not be written anywhere when they are talking about the history of this university. His name will be mentioned as somebody who has delivered the maiden convocation lecture.
So we've learned so much, from what you've said today, and we hope and pray that you'll be here tomorrow. Equally, His Highness the Emir of Kano, he too said he would join us at the convocation ceremony, and we hope that parents will continue to be proud of their children, that they will be graduating tomorrow, and also others that will follow next year. So we're very proud to be associated with this university, and thank you to the Pro-Chancellor and the members of the Governing Council.
Please allow me the pleasure to call on the Director Academic Planning to deliver the thanksful message.
On behalf of the university, I rise with deep gratitude to thank everyone who has contributed to the success of today's historic first convocation lecture of Capital City University, Kano.